Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Ali and I welcome you to today's art and craft class. I'm glad to have you here for a fun and creative session. Let's get ready to explore colors, textures, and a bit of abstract magic. This class is proudly brought to you by KIPS Online School, where learning goes beyond books and creativity is always encouraged. So now, let's dive into the history of abstract art. Abstract art started in early 1900s, where the artists began moving away from the realistic drawings. Instead, they used shapes, colors, and other art forms to express their emotions. One of the earliest abstract artists was Wesley Kandinsky, who believed that colors and other art forms could express the souls. Today, abstract art is all around us, bold, free, and full of imagination. And now you get to make your own. So now let's move towards our activity. Here's what you need for today's project. First of all, you need a canvas, an A4 size colored sheet, a palette for the purpose of mixing paints, a paintbrush, some segments of threads, a glass of water, and some acrylic paints. First of all, we will place a canvas in front of us. Then we will take black acrylic color and pour a generous amount of the color into the palette. And now, after we have poured the color, a black color into the palette, we will use a paintbrush and start coloring the canvas. I have chosen black color for the background. Black color enhances other shades and make them look more brighter and accurate. So once the background is done, you need to set it aside to dry. And now the paint is completely dried, and we will move forward to the main part of today's artwork. In the palette, We will take the desired shades, like I'm using orange, red, purple, and yellow. Here we are going to thin these shades by adding water to them. Personally, this is the most favorite step of mine, the thinning of paints. You can use any shade you like. The consistency of the paints should not very thin or very thick. It should be moderate. Now, after thinning the paints, we will move forward to the main part. We will take a thread and dip different segments of the thread into the paints. It looks a bit messier, but trust me, the final product will be amazing. Now we will hold the thread like this Set the palette aside and place the thread in a random positions like this. Then we will place an A4 size paper over it and give it a good push, and then we will pull the thread out. You can see we have a beautiful flower shape image on the canvas, a colorful and the good mix of different shades of colors. And now we are going to repeat the same process. You can shuffle the shades. Now it's time to show off your masterpiece to your family and friends. Hold your canvas and take a moment to appreciate your work. Every piece is unique. No two are ever the same, and that's the beauty of abstract art. I hope this session sparked your imagination and helped you see how fun and freeing art can be. Thank you so much for joining us today. Once again, this class was brought to you by KIPS Online School, where learning and creativity go hand in hand. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring. Bye for now.